People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Much love and appreciation, people. So news coming out of Jamaica is that they found the car of the missing Clarendon teacher, people. So if most people are unaware of what is going on, a teacher by the name of Natalie Dawkins from Clarendon has been missing for a few days now. And police have recovered her car. First they found her handbag, and now they have recovered her car. And one man was shot during the process of recovering this car. They was trying to sell this woman's car, people. And I pray and hope that she is found alive, because I don't know why them man keep attacking and kidnap and rape off for a woman. Like, a woman in the come out and brother, like, why you don't have mother, you don't have sister? Why y'all keep doing this to a woman? It's very, very sad, people, and it's very disgusting. Heartbreaking at that, people. So the article goes on to say the police today have recovered the car of missing Clarendon teacher Natalie Dawkins during an operation in Bella's Gate near Belfield, St. Catherine. The police say one man was killed and a firearm seized during the operation. Another man escaped. The teacher's car remains in the custody of the police. The police say they have been following several leads into the disappearance of the Clarendon teacher and are continuing a series of operations in search for her. Today, relatives, friends, and colleagues of the missing woman mounted a demonstration calling for her safe return. So her colleagues and friends did a little demonstration and protest, and they was out and about helping and trying to locate her as well. It goes on to say Dawkins, who teaches at the Four Parts Primary and Junior High School in the parish, has been missing since Tuesday. Reports from the Four Parts police are that Dawkins was last seen at home about 11:30 a.m. when her neighbor contacted her about her car alarm that kept going off. The police further reported that the following morning her relatives tried to contact her, but the calls went unanswered. The family was informed by the Spanish Town police that Dawkins' handbag was found along the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000. A reward of $1 million is being offered for the information leading to the safe return of the teacher. But she teaches in Clarendon, people, and her stuff has been found in St. Catherine. That's a good drive, people. That's a good drive from Clarendon to St. Catherine. Like, as I said, I just pray and hope that she is unharmed and she's alive and well, people. Because as I said before, these men are, I don't know what is going on with them, people. I legit do not know what is going on with them. And as I said before, people, the relatives, friends, and colleagues of Natalie Dawkins said that they have been left distraught since her disappearance days ago and are pleading for the public's help. I don't know what to say, people. I don't know what to say no more. Like, these men that are doing this or keep doing this, they need to stop. We need to get rid of them out of our country. Get rid of them, people. Janu, as I said, I pray and hope that she is well and we found her alive, people, and she's in good spirits and in good health. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to play you some videos of the police talking about the incidents, play you some videos of her colleagues going about passing out flyers and just, trying to find their friend, their colleague. As Mr. People, it's just a very, very and sad and unfortunate situation that we have to keep looking for our women every day, people. Like, every day. If it's not threats, if it's not them being kidnapped and raped, it's too much now. It's legit too much. And I just pray for the outcome be great. Jano, people. So That's what I'm going to do, people, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on this because we have to find Natalie, people. We have to find her. All right, so check out the video, people. All right, bless up in yourself. Much love and appreciation from Yard and Abroad TV, people. Bless up in yourself.
Dean Downey, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Clarendon Division, Divisional Shift Commander.
Tell me about the search that you're conducting today.
Today, as early as 6 a.m., we were joined by the K9 Division, together with a group of teachers, and supported by drone technology. We have intensified the search for missing teacher Miss Natalie Dawkins, who went missing on Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Together we have combed through the Roswell District, Planters Hall District, leading up to Bellas Gate, where the motor vehicle of the teacher was recovered last evening. So far, we have not found her, but we will continue to search. We're encouraging members of the public to come on board to intensify the search to locate Miss Dawkins. If there is anyone with information into the disappearance of Miss Natalie Dawkins, please make contact with the police at 119 or the nearest police station.
What's up, bro?
I'm going to give up the other thing to be sharing that she saw two men on bikes on the road. There were two men on right, look at the E for coming.
What kind of shoes? Where police girl?
Woman shoes.
You call the police lady?
When is that? That's the girls here. Who? See her here, she driving great feeder. The best here, they like to do the lock. We dirty man. But rainfall yesterday too, you know. Yeah. But still.
Brother Natalie Dawkins. What is happening? How is family coping?
Pardon me?
How are you guys coping?
Well, it's hard. It's rough. You tell you. Rough, but parents, them, tell you, no, they leave them at home.
What you heard happened though?
Well, Wednesday morning, I woke up and went to my bathroom, and while I was in the bathroom to get ready to go out on the road, I got a phone call. The phone call was from the secretary of Four Parts Primary and Junior High School. So when I answered the phone, she said, "Mr. Campbell, you hear from your sister?" I said, "Not from yesterday, that was Tuesday." Yeah, because I went by the school Tuesday to pick up my check, and she heard that I was out by the front and she sent the other security to call me. And I went over there at the infant department. She was over there and we were there for a while. A short while having a conversation and everything. But when I went over there, she was on the phone. So I was there for a while until she come off the phone and was there talking. She said, "You're going down to mommy today?" She said, "No, you know, I'll go home because I'm tired." Yeah, all right. And I did it until I go away. And I go away and go back out. I probably about 3:30, about 2:30. I see her drive past and go down Swansea way. Then probably about 3 o'clock, I see her come back up. Anyway, Wednesday morning now when I get the call, Miss Price said, call her because a policeman just called her. That Miss Price called her Miss Price and said they found her bag on the entrance to the highway. And I said, what? He said, yes. So me know I call her. But WhatsApp me I call her upon because I have no credit, but I have the service. Me I call her and I get her. And knowing her, she's in the bathroom and she come and she see the missed call, she called me right away. And none of that. Anyway, after that, the phone ring again. And Miss Price said, what happened? You hear? I said, no, I don't hear from her. But me I go call Cheryl, that's my other sister, and see if they hear anything. So me call Cheryl. Cheryl said, no, they don't hear from her from yesterday. Yesterday they talked to her. I said, all right. I said, tell them what happened, what Miss Price said. They said. So she said, all right, I drive out now and go around you. I say, I will meet you on the road. At the same time, when I get ready and I come out, by the time I reach on the road, I get the next call again. That's Cheryl. And Cheryl said, I reach around there, Terence, and she not did it because the gate locked, the door then lock up, and the car not did it. And she call and she not did it. I say, yeah. All right. I say, anyway, I'm on my way coming. I say, all right. Same time, I get a call again from Miss Price. So Cheryl said, she did to go Kingston with Miss McDonald, you know. So I say, call Miss McDonald and find out where, if she seen her. So she called, she said she called, and she not hear nothing. Anyway, same time Miss Price called me back and said, Mr. Campbell, you here? And he said, no. And I tell her that Cheryl said she wants to go to Kingston with Miss McDonald. And same time Miss Price said, Miss McDonald just walked in the school here. You see me? And so Miss McDonald just walked in the school and she asked her, and she said she not see her because she did to meet her at school there so they can go to Kingston. Oh my gosh. Anyway, after that, go out, she said, hear me, go straight down to the police station and go make a missing person report. So I just go straight to the police station, make the report, and then after, me and one of the police go round by the house. And we go round, two of the police, as a matter of fact, go round by the house. And when you go round there, Daddy was round there waiting on us, and my sister, my other sister. And because she always left a key down by Mommy, Daddy came me with that key. And Daddy said, open the door for the police and make them go in. So I go at the back door, trying to open it, and it was not the back door key. So I go to the front door now, and open it, and go in there. When we go in, we see that the TV in the living room was gone. And then we look around and go in our bedroom, and we see that the TV on the wall in our bedroom was gone. Our laptop was gone, and our tablet was gone. You see me? And I don't know what else is done.
How are we family coping now? Obviously, I'm not
not coping good, may I tell you. Right now, my mother is in shock. Mother in shock. My father, every time he break down.
She was living alone?
Yes, she lived alone.
Having a kid?
She had a adopted son, but he was not there. He's living in Kingston.
Say something, give us a clue, give the police a clue, call the school, call anyone, and just give us a clue so we can find our colleague and our friend, her children, her class, we need her family. We're just, this morning we're just broken, we really are broken. And so we are pleading to the entire Jamaica. If they've taken her car, we know they could move to another parish. But just keep her alive. We just want her alive. We just want her alive. And we believe she's somewhere out there.
What was the mood like?
Well, we're in a very sad mood there. Some people are somber. We're just all over the place. We are thinking this, we are thinking that. We need clarity. We need to know why she was at school on Tuesday, and the Tuesday night she has disappeared. When we got to school on Wednesday morning, we learned that police officers called to say they found her bag on the highway, and from then we have not seen her. We've been calling her phone, no answer. Family cannot locate her, school cannot locate her. Nobody has been in contact with her. That's what I've heard.
Group is just one of few groups. We had an assembly up by Woodley. That's one of the entrance to Highway 2000, and they're in that area. There's another group at Mineralites. There's a group on the beach in Salt River. No, that's the Welcome Beach, and there's a group at the Mineral in Salt River. So we are heading that direction, so we will all meet up further along the way. So it's not just one group of persons, it's persons in different locations for the same cause.
Have you heard anything?
So we just spoke with the group that is at the Mineral and the beach, and they have seen nothing, but they are still searching. Same, there's nothing from the Mineralites end or from the Woodley end, but they are still there and they are still searching the area. We are just hoping for the best. Her church family and her family, they are out on the beach looking. We just need something, if it's even a word, somebody. This is Jamaica. Somebody must have seen something, and that is why we are here. We want to know, what did you see? And this is not just for today. It's only because of the lockdown tomorrow that we will not be out. But is there any way that we can get some assistance from the government, that we can go out tomorrow and Monday and search for our colleagues? We will not allow this to just be left in the police hands. This is our colleague.
Yes.
The fight is against us. Right. We are teachers, we are women. We cannot just sit and allow this to happen. We have to come out.
Exactly.
So we are going to go wherever it takes us.
Yes.
If we go to our bed tonight and we dream that we're supposed to go to St. Catherine, we will go. And if we're supposed to go to Manchester, that's where we're going to go. So if we have to go to 14 parishes to find Natalie, we're going to find Natalie. And if we don't find her, we're going to find whosoever took her. That is, we are not going to stop. So that is the word from the teachers in Jamaica. We are not going to stop until we find Natalie. So if you have any information, let us know. We are the educators of this country, and we are not going to stop until we find our colleague. Help us find Natalie.
President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, and beside me is Winston Smith, President-elect of the Jamaica Teachers Association.
Yes, sir. Tell me about your support this morning to the staff of Upad Primary and the family.
Well, the Jamaica Teachers Association is standing in solidarity with our colleague Natalie Dawkins, who we remain hopeful that she will return home. As you can see, a number of teachers from all over the parish, and in fact all over the country, gathered separately in small groups, are handing out flyers and alerting the public so that we can get all hands on deck in this search for our colleague. And also we are mooting the cry to stop violence, especially against our women. We are very concerned about what's happening in our nation, and the Jamaica Teachers Association is adding its voice, to ask us to be more considerate one for another, and to pray for this nation, because we are a nation, I think, in crisis. The moral fabric in our society is tearing with an agonizing sound. We can hear it throughout the land. And so specifically this morning, we stand in solidarity. We are hoping, we are praying, and we are making all the sacrifices necessary, to support our colleague, and hopefully she'll return home alive. In addition to that, the Jamaica Teachers Association has contributed $500,000 to the effort for anyone, so the total now is $1 million reward for anyone who can provide information leading to the safe return of Natalie Dawkins. And the information, as you can see, is right here on the flyer. Yeah, just reminding our nation to bond together. We are hoping that this will ignite a flame right across the country that will sensitize everyone. We can't afford to get used to these kind of things, abductions and killings and the violence against women. We need to rise up, we need to make our voices be heard, and we need to continue to look to the hills from whence cometh our help. And so I encourage us as a nation, to give support to this cause, and for all the others, who are hurting because of their situations that they are encountering at this point in time.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
Perfect. So